Vanessa from Math Mania, here with the math warm-up for you. Remember, at Math Mania, the only thing we're trying to sell you on is our love for math. Anyways, enough of the cheesy intros. Today I'm happy to welcome into Math Mania videos some new interns. So we have Kyla. I had the pleasure of teaching her last year. We have her lovely older sister, Sienna. We've got Erin Radloff. You probably recognize her. She is our promotions manager. We also have another Math Mania team member, Miss Jamie, who also happens to be an educational assistant, who I get the pleasure of working with. And over on the technology, we've got Mrs. Mullen. All right, and we also have Ashley Elford, another Math Mania team member, doing our videography and editing.
The one and only Ashley Elford.
All right, so today's math warm-up is one made by Steve Wybordy. He has an amazing website full of free resources, which, you know, here at Math Mania, we are all about creating and sharing resources. And so we are glad that he makes his free as well. We love Steve Wyborny so much that actually in my classroom, one of our mini math days is called Wyborny Wednesday. And we just dedicate all our math warm-ups that day to Steve Wyborny, and we use all of his resources. Today's activity that we're gonna do is called SPLAT. All right, so SPLAT is a great activity that can be used really with children from kindergarten all the way up to grade 6. For kindergarten, you could use it with just subitizing. And in grade 6, you'll see, if you stick around for part 2, you will see how you can use it with older children. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, my Math Mania interns and volunteers are going to be, please write down how many dots you see. Okay, so how many blue shapes or dots do you see? Please write it on your whiteboard. Okay, and can you please show us your whiteboards? All right, I'm seeing that you all noticed and counted that there were 7. Mrs. Mullen, can you see? There were 7. All right, so now watch. Mrs. Mullen's gonna click her mouse and a splat's gonna appear. All right, so now your job is to figure out how many dots are under this splat. So Kyla, there were 7 dots. How many dots can you see now not under the splat?
3 dots.
Okay, awesome. So now you guys are to figure out how many circles or dots are under the splat. And if you could also write a math equation to show me how you figured it out, because I always like to know your thinking and what strategy you used. All right, so do I have a volunteer who would like to share? How many dots do you think are under the splat? Sienna, how many do you think?
4.
Mrs. Radloff? 4. Kyla?
4.
Miss Jamie?
4.
Okay, so you guys are all thinking there's 4. Now what I would like to know is, can you please tell us, how did you figure that out?
There were 7 to start off with, and then there's 3 dots, so then you just I just subtracted 3 from 7. I did the same way as Kyla.
You did, okay, so we have 2 people that use the same strategy. They use subtraction to help them figure out. Did anyone use something different to figure it out? Miss Jamie, what did you do?
I used addition, so I used 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Oh, okay. So in your mind, did you think what plus 3 equals 7, and then you knew that was 4?
That's correct.
Oh, so you know what you did? You did some algebra. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. What about you, Miss Radloff?
Yeah,
What did you do?
I did the same. I wrote my number sentence, and I had a question mark, and I had to figure out what plus 3 equaled 7. 4.
Great job. Now we're going to look under the splat to see if you guys were right, if it is in fact 4. Ready, Mrs. Mullen? Can you please click it on? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Excellent. There were 4. So we can see from this picture that 3 plus 4 equals 7, or 7 minus 3 equals 4. Great job, Math Mania. Math is awesome!